how you can use Grok for free, like almost free. Yes, I said almost because you still spend a token. Yes, if you are ready to create stories. By now, everybody's aware now that Grok is the best. Yes, no doubt about it. I give it to Elon. Yes, but you can use it just like the way you were using it before, and it's working perfectly with these steps. It will only cost you 7,600 naira Nigerian money. If you are outside the country or you are using a foreign iCloud or foreign account, it will cost you maybe like $2 or £2, something like that. Do you get? So this is how you can use Grok for almost free. So you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping tips like this every day. Now let's go.
So the trick to this is you must have X account, formerly known as Twitter. You must have it. Then when you open your X account, you go to your profile. This, you click on it like this. You go to your profile. You see premium. You click on premium. You see different plans of premium here: basic, premium, and premium plus for X accounts. This is basic, and in Nigeria it is 3,050 naira. But can you see here Grok AI? There is no Grok AI accessible here. This is premium. Can you see here Grok AI usage limit? Usage limit is higher. So here, this is what you need here. It is Grok. You see, starting at 76, you can pay monthly and you can pay yearly. The annual plan is this, and the monthly plan is this: 7,600 in naira, 76,800 in naira for yearly. If you are outside the country or you are using a foreign iCloud, you see it in dollar or in pounds, your whatever that you are using. But if you are using a Nigeria iCloud or naira account or Android, you are going to see it like this. Do you get? Then this is plus, premium plus. This is for those people that have the money. The benefit is different from the premium, as we can see. This is Grok AI. Can you see usage limit? Yes, super Grok available there, early access to new features and all that. The Grok AI is fully activated here, and the price is like this: 38,900 monthly, 384,000 annually, 38,900 monthly. Can you see? Even if it's this one that you subscribe to, it is better than using that normal Grok amount. Do you get? So you subscribe to one, either this premium plus or premium, anyone your pocket can carry, you subscribe to it. So let me now show you how you can use it. I just subscribe to this account now, so let me show you how you can use it on a subscribed account. So let's say you log in to your profile now. This is your subscribed X account, right? You subscribe to premium or premium plus, then you go to your profile. This is your profile here. You see premium. If you click on this premium, you see quick access, Grok. If you click on it, then you can create images, edit images, and all that here, right? But if you want to create your normal videos like we normally do, you click on your profile, you come here. Can you see open Grok? You see open Grok. You click on open Grok. You see sign in with Apple. Don't click on it. You see continue with Google. No. You see continue with X. Yes. You click on continue with X. You will not log in with your old email account. You continue with X. Okay. You see authorize app. You click on authorize app. If you know your account before, if you know your previous account and your X account carries the same email, don't go and change your X account, X email first. Okay, you see here now, it will bring you this thing. You click on skip. When you skip, now let's see whether it is still the same like before or not. You click on imagine. When you click on imagine, let's go and copy our prompt. Let's go bring in our image now that we want to animate. You click, you know where you bring in your image now. You click here, animate photos. So this is our image that we want to animate now. You see 480p and 6 seconds. So let's check whether they will allow us to use 10 seconds. This is 480p. You see, you have to subscribe to use your 10 seconds. Then we are using the 6 seconds. You change your distance to this. So this is our image now. Now we copied our prompts. I have copied the prompt that I want to use. This is the prompt that I want to use. Then let's generate. It's loading, it's loading. Can you see it's generating? It's not requesting us to pay. So if you pay for your X subscription, it is still better than. So can you see it's allowing us to generate without asking us to pay now? So that means if you pay for your S subscription, you are using two best to.
See her phone, this one don't expire. She won't use that in graduate. She too dey serious. See her phone, this one don't expire. She won't use that in graduate. She too dey serious.
So can you see now? This is very, very good. At least if you subscribe for your X, then you can be using your X for Pro. Then you'll still be enjoying your Grok AI. Now let's see if we can upscale or extend. Let's click on extend. Hey, we can even extend. Can you see? 12 seconds. Let me go and copy something and paste. Copy this. This is not part of the same, but let me just test the extent.
See her phone, this one don't expire.
Paste and post. It's loading. You can extend to 12 seconds. Guys, go and subscribe to X account, then continue using Grok for free.
See her phone, this one don't expire. She won't use that in graduate. She too dey serious. Come now, you go enjoy
You see?
This your phone no fit stay with us.
Can you see that our extend even work? Can you see that our extend even worked? Hey God, I know you really love it. So tell me what to share next in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.